Alright guys, in this video we will see how to make a fixed menu using HTML and CSS. So guys, as you all can see, we have entered in our Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we should create a file named as fixedmenu.html. Now we should create our boilerplate document, name it fixed menu, and add a style sheet. First of all, we should remove the margin from our body, make margin 0, and now we should name our menu with class, just name it menu, and make overflow hidden. To make the menu of full screen, just do width 100% and background color make it black. Now guys, this is the main thing to focus. When our right position equals fixed, this thing will keep our menu still even if all our content in body will scroll down, and make top 0. Now we should make links inside our menu. First of all, we need to add padding, make it 14 pixel, 16 pixel, and then make the font size to around 18 pixel. To remove the underline from a link, just make text decoration none. Now add a color to a link, just make it white, add background color, make it black, add cursor, make it pointer. To make the links lines in straight line, just create display inline block. And if you want links to change color on hover, just make menu A hover and make its background color white on hover, and its color turns into red. Now let's add the container. As you all can see on the screen, guys, I just wrote .menu, and just after pressing enter my element has been added, and now I will add links. Let's make it home. Now just copy down below and make 4 links. You all can even make 5, 6, 7 according to your choice. And now to see our menu that it is fixed or not, just add some headings inside a document, make it heading, and just copy it down below. Now let's see whether our output runs or not. So guys, this is the output. As you all can see, when I scroll down below, our menu stay fixed on the top and only our content is moving. And when we hover under menus, the background turns white and the links color turns into red. So guys, that's all for this video. Guys, if you do like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and see you in the next video.